create a class. Open brackets. Okay, for example, to create a class, type class person. Make sure the P of person is capital, and then put parentheses, colon. So, inside class person, put your functions and variables. Okay, I will start with defining function insert with its parameters are self, name, age, ID number, colon. Self here is important, which means the function itself to store the passing values from the function calling the variable. So type self.name equal name, self.age equal age, self.id number equal ID number. Make sure the indentation is very important. Now, I will create another function called output, parenthesis, self inside the parenthesis, colon. This function will show the inserted values, name, age, ID number in the insert function. Okay, now print inside the output function string your name is space plus self.name plus your age is plus self.age plus string your ID is plus self.id number. Okay, sounds cool. Now we have declared our blueprint or class. So that's it for now, and follow the next lecture to see how to make a class object. Thanks for watching.